The professors are amazing. They honestly care about how you're doing.
It was a life-changing experience. I would have never traveled if I didn't have the experience that Morrisville gave me.
What you're doing is real, it has importance, and it really forces you to learn the material.
Best 4 years of my entire life. The professors here are absolutely incredible.
My experience here has been wonderful. All the people are amazing, and I absolutely love the program because of how hands-on it is.
The professors here are, more than accommodating and helpful.
I love the family atmosphere here. I love how the people, they were more engaging.
My professor, well, he's very great. He's all hands-on and he explains things to us in a way that we get it.
The experience is great.
You gotta go to Morrisville because whatever we learn in the class, we can go to the lab and apply it. I love it.